I'm seeing a lot of whitecaps. This is going to be a windy, wet day, unfortunately. Hopefully the road's not covered with water. We'll see. Last time it was. Oh, there's a truck in my spot. Dang it. What the heck? Alright, I'll park behind him. Too many oysters here. Come on. There we go. Gonna work. This water is warm. Find some cooler water. I don't think the fish will be in this. Dang it. Can't even launch. There's a ton of bait on this flat. I don't see any big fish. Well, big catchable fish. There's some big mullet, but no tails or anything. I'm in pretty shallow water. Yep, 6 inches. Who knows, might be a flounder up on here. Water's a little warm, but it's wind blown and wave. The waves are hitting right on it. Yeah, right there, mullet or what? And the reds, I think I would see them, a little bigger backs. Who knows, see if I can pick up a flounder or be a fish. Tide's extremely low. I don't want to go too far because the wind's terrible. Go a bunch just to get some terrible wind. So, got a little wind protection here, not much, but makes a difference. See that right there? Got a red? That's what got me up here first. I was gonna pass it, but I saw some bait moving. Get a little closer and find out. Bait busting all in here. I'll have to change something silver. Now something happened because I turned the GoPro on. There's massive gars, what they are. Okay, we're taking some decent swells on for a kayak. I keep losing torque. The rudder keeps coming out of the water for a second, slipping, because some of these swells are about 1-2 foot in the middle of the bay. I have no wind protection where I go. The tide's extremely low, so it sucked all the water out where I usually fish. It's wind protected. But I don't want to drive somewhere that I don't know and not fish a wind protected area. So I'm gonna give this a try. Right here. There we go, see slip. It's hard to tell because the GoPro's on top of my head, but take my word for it, it's rough. The only reason I'm out here is I had the kayak loaded up, drove the dock, and saw it was rough. It was calm all day, not a wave on the bay kind of calm. But no, as soon as I get out here, it's rough. And the only reason I'm out here is because I texted my brother, said, hey, it's too windy. He's like, excuses. So here I am, out here getting beat, not catching any fish because of him. Hopefully I'll get you a fish, but no promises. So you look to the left, all that flat's out of water. Usually there's red stacked up against that grass. Not today. I can't fish the wind side of it because I can't stay in one place very long. So exhausted I can barely talk. But it's a good couple mile paddle, or pedal, however you want to say it. Even though I got the paddle out. That's because I was in shallow water chasing alligator gar, not reds, alligator gar. So on the next spot, man, something jump over there by my bait. But if you're in an unfamiliar area, fish what you know. And what I know is structure. So got me a wind-blown area. Mullet jumping all down it. I'm just gonna see if I can float down it. 30-minute paddle up, 5-minute float back. Got some grass, there we go. Maybe there's some trout around here too. Bunch of bait involved though. Great thing about the pedal kayak, it's easy adjust, just can't get too shallow. Figure out the problem. I've never caught a fish on this reel. That's what's making it difficult here. I've never seen a fish, so I gotta get lucky. Gotta catch a couple of fish before I catch more. The first fish is always the hardest on this reel. But this is just a beautiful wind-blown point right here. I'm gonna try to hit the front and the back side. There's some good current working around. I can see the current working around it from here. I'm hoping there's a redfish or trout way on the back side of that, but to me that looks more like redfish territory, but I'm open to anything. So I've probably got about 30 minutes before I have to head back, sundown. Gotta get at least one fish in this fishing trip. Oh, also a new shirt. That doesn't help either, gotta break it in. I've caught one monster red on this rod, so that has some luck on it. I don't know how much it has, but it has some. See if it's enough to cancel the shirt and the new reel. Oh, pants, caught fish before. A lot of fish in the pants, so that's something good we got going for us there. Kayak has seen a ton of fish. That video hasn't dropped yet, but when it does, you'll know what I'm talking about. Hasn't seen a ton of reds, seen some ton of trout. Probably 3 or 4 reds. Anchor system is working fantastic here. It's holding me at a rough point. Well, rough for a kayak. But it's working good. This thick mud sucked it right up. Hopefully I can get it out, but try to fish this point, see what I can get. A hard time hitting the spot I want. Right there, perfect. Pull off the rock. That's a red. Nope. Nope, no, that way. Yeah, that's definitely a red. I think it's an oversized red. Keep him in front of me. big red. Need a net. That's what I need. Oh! You kidding me? Okay, fish this last island. I think I can call it a day. It's starting to get dark. I have no light, no tail light. I have headlamps, but get 360 light. Got one on order. Supposed to get here Monday. It is a Wednesday, so we'll see if we get it. Maybe do some more night fishing. Huh. Ah, stop. Sand trout. Goal here is not to get my feet wet. Oh, wow, that worked. Water. Oh shoot, the rod.